Introducing the manufacturer customized TCT steel hole saw cutter. With its high elastic compression spring, the core material is effortlessly pushed out at the moment of drilling. Ideal for metal, plastic, marble, and more, this hole saw is compatible with electric hand drills, impact drills, bench drills, and similar tools. Enjoy the convenience of a blister pack, M6 hexagon screw, SDS plus shank, and a 3-year warranty. Customized support, OEM, and ODM options are available. Trust the authenticity and professionalism of CHT OOLS.